My name is Nathaniel Lee.
I'm Isaiah Johnson.
And this is our screencast for Milestone 7. So we will go ahead and register a new user. So when we submit a blank form, just operation failed, so go ahead and go back to this. Gmail.com. Don't use that password. Phone number. Just enter something simple. And mail user. Go ahead and register. And we can go ahead and demonstrate our page level security here. So if we try and go to my profile, it just redirects to login, and we'll go ahead and log in with the user we just created. Remember that password. And so here we can go through, we can add an address. When we submit a blank form, it does nothing because there's nothing in the fields. So we can go ahead and go through address, Lane, Phoenix, Z, 27, 2 million, add the address. We'll go ahead and modify the address, so modify the address. Address was modified. We can go ahead and delete the address again, and then it goes through and deletes it. Job history, pretty much the same thing. Add job, can modify it. Modified, and we can go ahead and remove that one as well. We can add an education. Graduation was 2017, and so there it added. Go ahead and modify that to be 2020. Gets modified properly, and we can go ahead and delete that as well. So skills, we can go ahead and add a couple skills. Add all these skills, and we can go ahead and remove them as well. Just go ahead and leave those up for now though. And then affinity groups, let's go ahead and go find a group real quick. So here, not in any groups yet, but we can go ahead and join a group. And so as you see, it has this group here. And then we can go ahead and leave that group as well. Just updates the page, and I'm no longer in that group. Create a group. And go ahead and create the group, and you can see here, group is there. We can go ahead and go view this other user's profile. It's all there. And then we can also actually go in and test the admin security here as well. Try and get to the manage users page, and it redirects to the that user's profile page. So we'll go ahead and test the admin features now.
Alright, so we'll go ahead and log into my admin account. Alright. So first thing we'll test is the job page. As you can see, I have a bunch of stuff listed here. We'll go ahead and go to the jobs, and it will show you when you have matching jobs to the skills that you have. So if there's 5 skills listed for the job and you match 3, then it will show it as a match, and I believe it's if there's at least 3, if there's more than 5, then it's a match. We can also search for jobs, so if we want to find a job in Phoenix, if you want to find a support job, and then if you just want to look at all the jobs, you can just submit a blank one. You can also apply for jobs. So if I wanted to apply for this professor job, as you can see, it applied. So now we'll go ahead and show the admin pages. We'll demonstrate the manage users page. We can suspend a user, so we'll suspend the user that we just created. As you can see, it shows that he's suspended, but we'll demonstrate that later. You can also remove a user, so I guess we'll remove Carter. Bye, Carter. Okay, so Carter's gone. Next, we will show the manage jobs page. Alright, so here's our jobs. We can add skills to certain jobs that we want to add to. So you can add those too. And as you can see, they were added right there. We can also remove a job. And it's gone. And then you can also add a new job. I can't type these. Crew member. Alright, and I believe if we search here, we should be able to see Mickey D's has been added. If you went to the job page, you could also see, we could search for it. And there's Mickey D's right there. So next we will show the manage skills page. This lists all the skills that users can choose from. We can add a skill called Smart. So as you can see, Smart was added. We can also remove Smart if we want to. And Smart should no longer be there. And then we will demonstrate the Manage Affinity Groups page here. So we'll go ahead and get rid of the group that Jack created, since Jack is suspended. Yeah, so we removed the group. And then next thing we're going to log out. Just one thing I want to show real fast is on the drop down in the My Groups page, whatever groups you're a part of, it will show you, and then you can navigate to that groups page as well. I don't think we showed that. Alright.
Alright, so now we'll go ahead and try and log in with that user that we suspended. And it fails to log in because they are suspended. Aside from that, that is everything for this particular milestone.